guys, this is Travel and Foodie Warriors. We're still in Nashville and we're getting ready to enjoy some Goo Goos.
Goo Goos!
Goo Goo!
Goo Goos!
Goo Goo, that's kind of fun to say. Goo Goos! We're ready to go make our own Goo Goos. Here we go.
Guitars, Cadillacs.
So we're inside Goo Goos. We're getting ready to go make our cluster. Are you ready, babe?
I am ready to go get some candy. Let's do it.
He's causing trouble. I'm so excited to finally be here at the Goo Goo store in Nashville to be making our own Goo Goo. This is where it's at. So you come over to this little station here and it says it's your turn. So yay, design a Goo Goo. Here we go.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna go with the milk chocolate. So then we're gonna go to sweet fillings. What do you think?
Bourbon
caramel.
We kind of we got salted and we got bourbon.
I'm doing bourbon caramel.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Vanilla nougat. Ooh. Almonds. Mini chocolate chips. Coconut flakes. What? There's 4 pages. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cocoa Puffs. Fruity Pebbles. Hazelnuts. Mini Marshmallow. Peanuts.
Fruity Pebbles.
Oreo pieces. Toffee pieces.
Yeah, those two.
Rice Krispies. Rainbow Sprinkles. I don't know. I think I'm going to go with the hazelnuts. I like the cons too. Maybe instead of...
She's having decision paralysis.
Oh, hazelnut. I already had hazelnuts in there. I don't know. This is going to be a lot. All right, here we go.
All right,
Your
my turn.
honey.
Who is this for? This is for Wild West. Oh, that says, hold on. Error.
Hubby's having a little bit of a hard time with the computer.
Oreo, Fruity Pebbles. Cereal thing going on.
Not nutrition. That was in the fridge. I'm getting my Goo Goo. Yay. So excited. Thank you.
Wild West.
Yay! Oh, it's so cute! Look. It actually says what a cluster on it.
Wow, that looks really good. All right.
I'm about ready to take a bite of my custom-made Goo Goo Cluster that has, it's milk chocolate, it's got hazelnut toffee pieces, pecans, bourbon caramel, and vanilla nougat. And it just came out of the freezer, so.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh. That is so good.
Let me see.
Look inside of that.
Wow.
I just want to take a whole bunch of these home. Can I just make a bunch of them and bring them home? Ah. I don't want to take one bite. That
Ow.
is winning right there. for the love of food, this